name is Christina McHugh and I'm a final year Building Services Engineering student in DIT Bolton Street. It's the honours degree programme, which is DT026. If you study building services, you'll get a chance to look at really interesting things like lighting design, acoustic design. It's not just heating and air conditioning, which is a common misconception. There are loads of other areas. It's how a building works and it's everything that goes into making a building work. My interest in building stemmed initially from playing Lego as a child and drawing all my life. I had an interest in maths. I did tech graphics, and then for Leaving Cert I did design and communication graphics. I started off in DIT doing the common entry into engineering. Throughout first year you're given an opportunity to look at the other disciplines. In your second year, in building services, you will get introduced to things that you've never seen before. For example, heating systems, air conditioning systems, which will be determining how much air do people need in a room. There's a big push towards zero carbon buildings, zero energy buildings, so we need to start making buildings more sustainable, and that is a building services engineer's job. This DT026 course in DIT is very reputable and has companies coming to recruit us. So for example, I did a placement in England for the summer with an engineering company, and I got a chance to be part of a design team and was given the chance to come up with solutions to the air conditioning and heating problems that they had, which really gave me an insight into what the industry is like. When I start working as a building services engineer, I expect to be working as part of a team on a project with the client, the owner of the building, the architect who has designed the building, the structural engineers working on the building, and then the building services engineers. The really exciting thing about building services is when you're given a building by an architect and the structural engineer has considered it and everybody else has considered it, and now it's your turn. So it's a shell of a building that you need to make function. After graduating, I could look for a job in designing buildings, managing buildings as a project manager. I could be a product designer. I could work in sustainability or energy assessment. I think building services would suit creative students who like buildings, who like designing, who like the idea of low energy consumption, and who are interested in sustainability.